Alright, so made it to Toontown, and maybe I need to take a cab and help me look for leads. So I think I was told there's cabs in here, so let's go in here and grab a cab.
Hey, what do you think you are? Mickey Mouse?
Dangerous, they're revolting! Citizens of Mickey's Toontown, beware. Now, back to our program. Those weasels made me so angry I could puke my guts out!
Who puts that smile on your radio dial? Down the
Jessica. Jessica. It says danger, keep out. So why are we going in it? Oh no. We're just breaking all the rules up. That's what you usually do, don't you? All right, we made it. Go ahead, Mom. All right, get up in here.
Perfect. Go to pull down the bar. Pull down, you guys.
You told me you were gonna.
And pull up on it.
Oh yeah, you did say that. I apologize. All right, you're in charge of that.
Here we go!
Now,
Just wait, this point and gift boy.
you're in charge of the steering? Why are we going backwards, Mom? I'm not trying to spin it, I'm trying to get it so that we're not going backwards. Why are we going backwards?
danger, danger, warning, warning, danger, danger, warning.
Oh no, we're spinning again.
Here you are.
Alright, we're driving in a straight line.
Hey!
What? No, come back. We're getting dizzy. Now we're gonna fall down. No! Falling down. All right. Woohoo! That's how I feel like right now.
Permit me to get the door for you, Jim.
Oh, just drop the door on us. Woo! Whoa, that almost fell on us. Here's Jessica.
This will make us well good.
Alright, get a spread. Get a spread.
You're gonna stop to forget me.
No! Okay. What? How did you hear that? Oh. Well, no leads. I looked everywhere in there, Mom. There was no lead. Well, stick around. Maybe we'll find her somewhere else in Disneyland. Whew. Are you okay?